What is up, it's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a out the door in 10 minutes makeup look. This makeup look is literally going to take only 10 minutes or less to do. I'm going to be using the Mented Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment, and that's what I'm wearing right now. I love using this before my makeup. We're going to start off with the eyes because I feel like I need to look awake. So we're going to be taking the Mented Every Night eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to take some of the brown mattes and then this light color and then maybe a little bit of shimmer. Philly and Harlem, and just mix those together. So we're just gonna put that in the crease. You just want to feel put together, going to the grocery store or something. I don't prime my eyelids in the morning. I already have a little bit of darkness in my eyes already, just naturally. So I like to just take brown eyeshadows and just kind of enhance that. This matte shade, which is Houston, just to get a little bit of that brightness back. Miami, which is like the shimmer color, and just kind of focus that on the inner corner. Mascara, and just coat our eyelashes. Now our eyelashes are pretty much done, and now we're going to move on to brows. So I'm going to be using the Brow Later Brow Precision Pencil. This is one of my favorites by Mented. I just brush them up just like that, and then I'll just line and fill them in wherever I see any sparse areas. So we're just gonna put this all over first. Look at how smooth this foundation stick is. Let's just talk about that for a minute. This foundation stick is everything. Using their foundation brush and just tapping that into just like this. And what I really like about this foundation is that it's so creamy and it's not drying for my dry skin. I'll just show you up close. Ooh! Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is the right shade, L20. Look at how smooth this looks. I'm just putting on some concealer. I'm gonna take the shade 1030 and we're just going to kind of bronze up our face a little bit. Angled brush and just tapping the contour or bronzer. Take a beauty blender and just blend out everything. I like to just clean up my eyeshadow. This is their loose setting powder in the shade Light/Tan. This is like one of my favorite setting powders. It's so finely milled and it just mattifies everything. It looks really good and there's no flashback. So that's why I really like this powder. Tap that into the cap. Tap the excess off on your hand and just start tapping and making sure that your under eyes are set for the day. Just like that. And now we're gonna go ahead and hurry it up a little bit and use some blush. So this is the Pinky Promise blush. This is one of my favorite blushes, powder brush. I'm just gonna lightly tap the blush, just lightly like this. And if you wanna be cute, you can kind of tap over the nose. Take some more of the mascara and just put this on the lower lash. See how we're looking very effortless, like we just kind of woke up but we're not doing too much? That's the vibe for the out the door in 10-minute look. Lala, so we're just going to line our lips. This is their semi-matte lipstick. This is in the shade Brand Nude. Such a cute name, and it's just a nude brown, and we're just going to put that in the center of our lips. You can either stop here, which is just like a semi-matte finish, or you can put some gloss. This is the Pink About Me lip gloss. I'm just going to put this over. Love a little pink gloss moment, so this is a really nice touch. So for the last step, this is the Vitamin C and E setting spray, and we're just going to spray this all over our face to give us some glow and to set our makeup. So yeah, this is what the makeup is looking like. 10 minutes. So simple, so easy to do, and I do this all the time whenever I'm in a rush, or even if I just want a really glowy, natural makeup day. Using all Mented cosmetics. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.